Okay, now question 2. So already yabo mawujwayele lento le already nje ubone uyabona uzodila noIsaac Newton. I-theory yakhe nje la uzodila nama-laws akhe. Yabo. Why uyabona ibox ihleli uyabona nama-forces yabo. Usujwayele yabo kube mhlawumbe kuzokhulunywa nge-momentum. Showcase mhlawumbe bebezokhuluma mhlawumbe ngama-velocities initially, ama-collision yonke lento le. Yabo, so kunaleyo ma-keywords wabona yabo, but awusifunda le statement owedwa and then mesona nje sifunda ndawonye. But ke I hope uzopresuppose and uzenzele and then mase uyaqhubeka nathi. Asiqaleni ngithi la. A crate of mass 4 kg is being pushed to the right across a rough horizontal surface by a constant frictional force of magnitude 10 newtons that acts at an angle of 30 degrees to the horizontal. Pen. You want to demonstrate? Basinikeza diagram. Okay. As you can see, kule diagram na ini le horizontal surface ile. Bathe ngayo. Bathe ini rough. So which means there exists a force of friction khona lapho yabo. Rough. All right. And then we know the mass, which is 4 kg. We know the angle of inclination towards the force, 30 degrees, and yona force u10. So kune object la in case leli case lu 4 kg. Benza njani? Balipusha ka right leli case, kodwa balipusha at an angle, which means lizoya ngala. Yabo? But uyazi once kwakhona angle, we have ama components. We have a component of that force, the horizontal component and the vertical component. So, le sizoyibiza ngo x and then le enyuka la sizoyibiza ngo y. Ne? It is the horizontal x and the vertical y. In our components of our forces. So, to izinto you could expect la. You could expect mhlambe to state a certain law. You could expect to draw my free body diagrams to calculate or normal force, acceleration, whatever. You should be ready. Ne? So let me give you my hinting. 4 my definitions. With physics, all Newton's laws. My quantities like friction, static friction, kinetic friction. You need to be able to define them. The momentum in this case are so they won't ask for izinto kanjalo la kulombuzo. So you'd expect that for my calculations, normal force is affected when a certain force acts on an angle. It is not directly equal to any gravity. So whenever iphuma kanje force, the normal is equal to the weight minus, let's just say this is F, minus Fy. But if ingena kanje, surface, that means the normal is equal to the weight plus Fy. Ungakhohlwa lo ngicela ukubhale phansi. Yabo? So if force every time iphuma noma uyaphuma ngala noma ngakephi, at an angle you subtract the weight and in a vertical component. But if ingena, you add the two. Ne? Which yabona la iyangena. So which means for a normal force you have to add in low I low and in the weight yakho izolingana nani ne normal force yakho. So lalela futhi ongakudinga i-free body diagram ile enjani eba ne-dots kanje mase ama-force ayahamba-ke noma kanjani yabo. And i-force diagram yila uzoyidweba khona i-object yakho mase ukhipha ama-forces kuyona yabo, wakhipha kuyona. So it depends ukuthi bakubuzeni kumbuzo ukuthi bathe bafuna i-force diagram noma i-free body diagram yabo. So senginikezile nje ama-clues angase kube izinto ezingakusiza on calculating or uphendula any question abangakubuza yona. But for now we don't know ukuthi lo mbuzo unjani. What can we do? We can go to question 2.1.1. Alright, as I was saying, so you should be prepared for izinto kanje. As you know, we believe ama-marks amahhala la abasinikeza wona. every time bethi sichaze izinto ezikanje, which is into efana exactly than into kade unawo. Your job is to understand. Umsebenzi wakho nje ukuthi wenze njani we understand ngale ndlela i-definition ukuthi noma kuthiwa bakubuza nini uzokwazi ukisho ngale ndlela efunakala ngayo. Yona nje siyifundile sayipractice, so now sesiya apply ke. Kuthiwa state Newton's second law in words. So Newton's second law kumele nje umbhale njengoba enjalo. Imuphi ke lo? Ilo ohambisana neformula ethi F net is equal to ma, where F net is equal to mass multiplied by the acceleration. But ke ake siyibuza ukuthi Newton usuke ekhuluma ngani la. Remember kwi-force law usuke ekhuluma ngokuthi i-object mayimele iyohlala imile noma mayihamba a constant velocity, iyohlala a constant velocity up until a net force acts on it. Yabo? Up until a force acts on it. Yabo? First law lo. Second law esathini leyo force leyo masi acta kwi-object, it will cause the objects to accelerate in that direction of the net force at an acceleration that is directly proportional to the force and inversely proportional to the mass. Usuke sechaza lokho ke kwini kwi-second law. Leyo force leyo acta kuleyo object izokwenza ukuthi i-object i-accelerate kwi-direction efanayo nale force le. Injani lo acceleration is directly proportional to low force, iphinde izoba inversely proportional to mass. Iyona Newton's law leyo, Newton's second law. Ake siyibhale ke njengoba sisho siyibhala. So when a net force iqala nje kanjalo, when a net force acts on an object, so net force may act on the object kwenzakala. So abanye bathi mhlambe an unbalanced force or a resultant force, it means the same thing as net force. The total force, net uqonda total ka physics. Hayi unet lo wenet cha. Alright. So when a net force acts on an object, bese kuthiwani the objects will accelerate in the direction of the force. Yabo? So the object izo accelerate kwini kwi direction efanayo naleyo force. The object will accelerate in the direction of the force. So when a net force acts on an object, the object will accelerate in the direction of the force. Usukushilo lo. Okusho ukuthi mayimele object kuzoqhamuka i-net force ezo-acta kuyena, and then yena mesenza njani uzo accelerate, so emotion yakhe, the change in velocity over time is its acceleration. Angithi i-direction, since acceleration is a vector, it will be the same direction as the net force. Okusho ukuthi i-net force mayithi to the right, shuthi ne-acceleration is to the right. Ilo nto abayisho. And this is the first half of the definition. The second half is ikhuluma ngayo ke le acceleration and the relationship of acceleration with the net force and any mass. Sesiyasho at an acceleration that is directly proportional to the net force and inversely proportional to the mass of the object. So your definition lana ya Isaac Newton akamuga nayo to make us understand the motion of objects. When we're talking about any, in this case we're talking about acceleration, the net force, nani, the mass of the object. So uthuma kuswakho wamahala uphendula awunendaba ne diagram bakubuze nje i-definition wayifaka aseni kumbuzo olandelayo. Question 2.1.1. Sekuthiwani draw a free body diagram of the crate. Free body. Ngikucaciselile ngathi free body diagram ukhumbule ukuthi yona yipi le ene dots and then i-force yona yipi ile ene objects. So bafuna yipi le ene dots ilana. I-diagram ene dots yalo leli crate leli. Bayakutshela ukuthi u4 marks, lo 4 marks ukutshela ukuthi which means ama forces ozowabhala awu 4. The number of forces la awu 4. So asiqaleni. So which means the 4 kg manje so represent as 8 dots. Nali dots. Dots nje elincane kanje. So yini ke soyenza? We need to extend ama forces from leli dots leli. Yabo njengala njengoba le force kanje la but ixhumene nani ne-object ngqo. Manje izoxhumana nani ne-dots. Phela that's the only thing. So mawubuka wena sibona i-force eyodwa but kunawu 3 angabonakala esiwazi ukuthi akhona. Number 1 is friction. They told you that the surface is rough. Ukusho ukuthi i-friction ikhona. Alright. Kunani kune-weight ne-normal force ehlezi ikhona. Let us draw it. So nayi ke le force le. So you take a blue. Nanzi le force le. So see F ba A. So see applied force le. Le aba pusha ngayo phela. And then what else do we have here? We have ini FG. Yaba? Sino FG. And then what else do we have la? Sinani sino FN. Oh ini normal. Let me use a different color for the labels. Khona uzobona kahle. Okay, so the normal force lana, and then what else do we have? So iyangala, so friction is opposite. And then see where nani the friction line. Okay. So this is FG, FA, FN, FF. So the force of friction. Yeah, so now you get in a free body diagram here of the crates. For 4 marks, we are born to there 1, 2, 3, 4 forces. Yeah, and it needs outing it to the then they think it was a manje. Usu don't a manje ruler. We are kind of ngempela usenza protracts ufuna ukuthi line uzoba straight down here. As long as it's neat and it's straight here, uzoba right. Yabo ungazuza utatazela kakhulu. It is just a free body diagram. Ama marks amahhala. So in this question it has been 2 marks with the Newton's second law, definition, and then minus to be 9 in the free body diagram. The free body diagram is ukusiza uma sesenza ama calculations. Why? Ukubona ukuthi le free body diagram izokusiza, you have to know ukuthi kukhona ini la eyangala, kukhona ini la eyangala. Ungakhohlwa lo. We have the x and then we have the y. La khona bani lo 30 lo. Yaba? Ungakhohlwa lokho. Yaba? But ke akade bekufuna nje la nakho. Sikufakile thina. So the answer yakho ya 2.1.1. Oh, 2.1.2 lo manje. 2.1.2, I made a mistake. 2.1.2. So ibona ke lo for 4 marks ozophendula kanje. Yaba? So remember the correct question has to go with the correct answer. Yaba ungaphambanisi nje kodwa ngenzela. Alright. So after usudebile ke free body diagram yakho uzokwazi kuyobala nanoma yini oyidingayo. Asambe siyobona umbuso olandelayo ukuthi uthini. Alright, so nanti in lana the question. So this is a new statement. They tell you ukuthi a constant frictional force of 2 newtons acts between the surface and the crate. So lana la the friction ekhona FK is equals to 2 newtons. Ungakhohlwa lo. And then bese bathini calculate the magnitude of the 2.9.3 the normal force acting on the crate. Remember we drew any free body diagram yethu. Angithi khumbula ukuthi free body diagram yethu ibine normally inale force inale weight inale friction ibika nje free body diagram esiyidebile. So i-normal lena is affected by ini other vertical forces phela. Nayi vertical force naye ebheke phansi lo y lo nayi ne-gravity yabo. So now the new formula ethi i-normal kahle kahle ilingana ne-gravity plus u-Fy. Iyona formula esizoyisebenzisa ithatha from ini from i-free body diagram. Njengoba ngitshela mayingena kubo plus kodwa mayiphuma kubo minus. Yonke kumele uyikhumbule le. So asiqaleni ke manje sibale. I was just informing you on how we got le equation engizoyisebenzisa. Yes, ngisho. Ngize ngakubhalela eqaleni ngathi mina i-force mayingena kwi-object njalo kuzoba u-plus. Kodwa mayiphuma which means if the object is pushed kuzoba u-plus. Pushed at an angle kodwa. But if it is pulled at an angle u-minus. Yona nje phela into emele uyikhumbule le. So asiqaleni. We know 2.1.3 lo. Siyazi ukuthi the normal force is equals to i-gravity yethu plus any the vertical component. Yabo? Yona into abathi asithole le yangithi. So i-gravity yodwa ke iuba ilingana ne-mass times the gravitational acceleration. Oyitholaphi? Awiqageli. Ikhona kwini kwi-data sheet yakho. They told you may use the attached data sheets. Bakutshelile kwama instructions ekade siwafunda. Usuzoyispanisa ke manje le ewu9.8 meters per second square. So Fn uzolingana noba lo u-mg lo. Yaba? Plus u-Fy lona u-Fy nangu. Yamba ulingana nobani? No F sin theta plus F noma sithi sin theta esingawufaka u-theta in this case because sisa shintsha ama formula sin theta. So nansi ke ikanje yaba. So asiqhubekeni nge-Fn the normal force is equal to mass which is 4. So 4 multiplied by u-g which is u9.8 plus ubani ke u-F which is the original force le ewu-10 newtons 10 and then sine of bani of 30 degrees. So yonke lento siyifaka kwi-calculator. This case 4 times 9.8 plus 10 times sine 30 sinikeza u-44.2 newtons as our answer. So let us recap usenze njani la. U3 marks nje lo, so you shouldn't ngathi ungajuluki kakhulu yaba. So what we did was sibonile ukuthi i-force le iyangena, and I told you ukuthi i-force mayingena that means the normal force is equal to the weight plus that component yaleyo force njalo njengobona na i-formula la. So yona formula le esiyisebenzisile to do what? To get i-answer yethu leyo qala yabo. Kanti siyazi phela ukuthi u-Fga yethu ilingana no-mg yabo, and then u-Fy uzolingana no-F sin theta. Ey'ndaweni ey'ningi ke no-Fy lo mhlawumbe abanye they call it mhlawumbe Fv mhlawumbe for vertical component angazi, abanye mhlawumbe bathi horizontally no vertical bathi parallel and perpendicular components. So it's up to you. Abanye bathi F1 u-x, abanye bathi F2 u-y. It's up to you. As long as ukwazi ukuyithola and you're telling us it is this component that will be added to the gravitational force to get our normal force. Remember, normal force here. It is the force exerted by the surface on an object. It always acts perpendicular to the surface. So, yona in normal force. So that's athini. That's mg plus f sin theta. And then substitute akumbula. We akumbula ukuthi yokama instruction. Clearly show all formulae and substitutions. Njengoba ubona wonke ama formulas wasebenzisile. Asiqalanga ngani ngo-mg la. Asiqalanga ngani lesibalo la sesa la. Ngobani u-mg ulingana no-fg. So kumele uqale usikhombisa ama formula qala wasebenzisayo before usubstitute. Mase usubstitute wenza sure ukuthi lama magnitudes abakunikeza wona ngada iwona wasebenzisa ezibalweni, ungamsuqhamuka phela namanye amabhokisi with other masses. Angithi uhamba nalento abakubuze yona. In this case basibuze ini bathi asithole i-normal force. I-normal force ile ehamba la kanje So ilingana nani? Nale force ehla la plus nale enye ezokwehla la. Yonke ngisho ke le. So which is why sakugcina sesithe the weight plus the component. So athola u44.2 newtons as our final answer. So now ungayenza and try out for yourself and check ukuthi are you getting the same answer nale esitholayo. Asiyeni kumbuzo olandelayo. Alright, so olandelayo umbuzo kuthiwani asithole i-acceleration of the crate. Sinayo i-mass of the crate. Sinayo i-normally, sinayo i-friction, sinayo i-force. But okay, let's look at the horizontal forces, man, because emotion is horizontal. Okay. So, ngala sizoba nani ke la? Sizoba nale force le eya ngala. Sibe nenye ezoya ngala. Buka. Le u-F lo angithi lo 10 newtons. So manje u-Fx lo ozoya ngala. And then ozoya ka left is the what? Is the friction. U-F kanje. Yabo ayisekho any force ekhona. Ne? So what we're going to do now, we're going to use Newton's second law to calculate. But okay, before we do that, Fx ukuthi uba eyedwa. Remember ukuthi iza kanje lishandisa ngithi. Mayiza kanje y uza kanje and then x lo oza kanje. So if ku 90 lo nango theta. Uyabona ukuthi usumthola ngo cos. Uma sithi cos theta, it is equals to x divided by lo 10 lo or hypotenuse 10. Yabo? So uma si cross multiply, then x is equals to 10 cos theta. Yabo? Iqhamuka lana ke lento ya f cos theta no f sin theta. Uma ufuna i-horizontal component usebenzisa u-cos, uma ufuna i-vertical component usebenzisa u-sin. Siqaleni. Bengisakhombisa nje nge-maths la ukuthi leya formula bayithatha ukuze ukwazi uyi-understand kwayona i-formula. So fx it is equals to f multiplied by cos theta. So fx uzoba u10 newtons multiplied by cos of u30. So fx uzoba ubani? Let's calculate. Make sure it is flashed. 10 cos 30 gives us 8.66 newtons. Ubalo u10 cos 30 or 8.6. It is a horizontal component. Kodwa ke fx ngizomthatha mina as u5√3 ongaround off here because when you round off the final answer. So mina ezibalweni zami ngizofaka lo 5√3 kwi calculate. It is the same as 8.66 but kunezinye inamba eqhubekayo ngithi. So I'll take account of those numbers. So sengiyazi ukuthi phela F net is equal to ma. How kwasho loba Sir Isaac Newton. So F net is equal to ma. Choose the direction. Right is positive. Ne? So fx minus to ff. So fx minus ff gives us ma. Fx nangu phela. Ubani u8.66 newtons minus a friction which is 2 newtons. It is equals to ma. M4 u8 nangu. So mina ngithatha 5√3 nayo kodwa we calculate ofana nalo. 5√3 minus 2. Ithola minus 6.66 is equals to 4a. Yabo? So minus 2 plus 5√3 kahle lo. So minus 2 plus 5√3 divided by 4. So divide by 4 ndawo zo 2. No, it is not negative, it's positive. So acceleration is equals to so divide by 4. Usinikeza balo minus 6, minus positive 6.66 divided by 4. 1.6. So it's 1.6 by 7 as you test. 5 8,66 minus 2 usinikeza 6,66. 6,66 divided by 4 usinikeza 1,67 kahle kahle. So uzoba 1,67 meters per second squared. So usuyasho ke wena ukuthi sho kahle kahle i-acceleration yakho 1,67 meters per second squared to the sithela right is positive. I-answer yethu siyayibona i-positive, so to the right. So how many marks though? 4 marks. Yini yokuqala ekade siyenza? Sitholile ukuthi i-horizontal component yuba u-8,66 newtons. Sithole from understanding ukuthi since it is at an angle kuphuma in, when you draw ama components you get a closed vector diagram which is a right angled triangle, allowing us to use in trigonometry. So in respect to the horizontal side, siyazi ukuthi it is adjacent to the angle given, and siyazi adjacent over hypotenuse cos, which is why we used cos la and not usine. Usine simsebenzise kuphi? La kade sifuna khona ini i-vertical component. Ngoba phela nansi ini free body diagram of the horizontal forces. So we need fx no ff. Ff was given to us a constant, i-friction engashintshi lena elobe u2 newtons njalo between the crate and the surface. So njengoba phela leli case leli belibhusha liyakhuhlana nani ne-surface, umase cause i-friction benza ukuthi icase lingahambi ngale speed lesi imele ngabe sihamba ngaso, because the surface kuthiweni it is rough. Alright, so sasebenzisa ke Newton's second law. Siyazi ukuthi the sum of all the forces is equals to E mass multiplied by E acceleration. So assign it direction. We chose all the forces going to the right as positive, and last siyabona ukuthi iyodwa, it is this one nangithi okusho ukuthi le izoba njani negative. Yabo? Ngokwe math this is called algebraic equation. Yabo? We take into account ama directions as well as add ama magnitudes kanjalo. Awukwazi ukuthi uvele uthi 8,66 plus 2 kodwa ube lo 8,66 nalo 2 be opposite, which means oyedwa kumele abe negative oyedwa abe positive. Yabo? So i-science ihamselana nani manje ne-maths, which means i-answer yakho izoqhubeka kahle. And then i-subtraction yakhona sithole as u-6,66 or positive, angithi olingana no-5√3. Why ngubhale lo 5√3? Ngenzela mina kwi-calculator ukuthi nginga-round off. Ngi-round off only the final answer. Ngobani? Instruction eqale ningitshelile ukuthi angi-round off i-final answer kuphela. So angikwazi uku-round off la ngibe ngisazomdinga lo kwezinye indawo angithi. Alright, so ngase ngathi ke fx minus uff uma nga substitute kwaphuma u6,66 olingana no4 times a. Lo 4 nguthatha. Now remember f net is equal to ma according to Newton's second law. So m is the mass, which is the amount of matter in a body measured in kilograms. I-mass leyo yona siyithathayo siyisubstitute in place of m. So la khona khona u-m sifaka u4 and u-a asimazi. It is a good thing asimazi because why? Bambuzile bathi asimcalculate, so it's good. Some calculator using i-maths sathola ukuthi it is equals to 1,67 meters per second squared. Since the answer yethu ibe positive, it was going to the right. So which means leli case leli i-velocity yakhona mawukuthi ilo number ethize izonyuka ngo-1,67 meters per second ngesecond elilodwa. Iqonde ngo lonto le acceleration 1,67 meters per second squared is equals to a velocity of or an increase in velocity of 1,67 meters per second or every second. It's up to you. Because remember acceleration, the rate of change of velocity. So it increases yashita ngo 1,67 meters per second squared jalo every second. So this is how we answer for the 4 marks. If you have any question, make sure ukuthi uyabuza masuqedile kodwa iphela. So when you reach the end of this episode into ozoyenza wena is to write down konke ongakuzwanga kahle or what you can do uma ukuthi khona i-topic ongayazi. Which is why unga-understandanga sisiphendule la. It is because you lack that knowledge. Because la knowledge manje noma sesiyisho, but we are taking strategies okuphendula manje. Because this is episode yani exam question paper. So wena uphendela kwama-lessons uyobuka exactly ama-lessons ukuthi kufundwa kanjani, i-content ithini, and then you come back kule video le uyiphinde kwesibili uzobona kancane kancane, you tend to understand izinto a whole lot better. Asengikumbuzo olandelayo. Alright, so lalela kuthiwa lana manje i-normal force manje, but asifundeni la, if the angle of the 10 Newton force is reduced, okusho ukuthi lalela le angle le is reduced, okusho ukuthi bayehlisa bafuna nje bade ime kanje, nje bade ingena kanje, mhlambe manje isizongena kanje, yabo i-angle yehle noma ingene kanje noma kanje, yabo. So it izoba ncane ngalendlela ukuthi ngivezele lento le visual. So let's just say nayi ini object la, so uma ukuthi nayi force la iyangena kanje, i-force le iwona lo purple. So ngenzeka manje, or let's just say nayi horizontal. So kade inji inilo 10 Newton, bantu bazokwehlisa i-angle, nansi i-angle la yoba u-theta, yaba iyona angle abazoyenza njani, abazoyehlisa. So ake sithi kanje, to make you understand better into engiyicabangayo. Okay, nayi horizontal nangu bani lo 10 Newton. So ngenzeka manje mhlambe usehamba kanje, yaba. So i-angle before bekuyile u-theta wonke, manje sekuzoba ile, yaba. So it has been reduced, omunye mhlawumbe ngasho sizosuka la. So now the angle sekuzoba ile, yaba. The angle keeps on getting reduced, but ke abasho ukuthi to how far. What we know is the angle will be reduced. Igama it's reduced, baqonde ukuthini bazoyinciphisa, it will decrease. Iqonde into efanayo. Sengenzela uma ukuthi khona ongazi ukuthi igama elithi reduce liqonde ukuthini. Kuthiwa i-answer yethu asiyibhale kanjani. If the angle of the 10 Newtons force is reduced, how will this affect the magnitude of the le angle mayincishiswa? Mhlawumbe njengoba u-30 mhlawumbe ibe u-20 kanje, ngenze example. Izoyi-affecta kanjani i-normal force le kade siyibalile phezulu? Kati u-44.2, yes. Now le noma izo-affecteka kanjani? Remember ke wena kodwa ngifuna bekhumbule. So FK is equal to UKN, yabo. Enye indawo la sibona khona iformula le i-normal force, enye iphenye indawo ayikho enye indawo. Let's just check it. So sifuna la kinetic friction, yabo. Let's just check kinetic friction U2, because see basitshelile ne asiyazi coefficient. So in this case le formula can't help us in answering this question, ngeke ize ikwazi, yabo. But ke ngifuna si expand kuyona lento le, si expand kuyona. Remember in this case ukuthi i-normal force ilingana nani ne-gravity plus awuthi ngiyisuse nje le formula ngibhale la, so the substitute khona u-mg plus f sin theta, yabo. So buka now, if le angle le izoba ncane, le angle le izoba ncane, what does that mean? That means f sin theta usuzoba kanjani wona usuzoba mkhulu yabo. But njengoba i-angle was reduced nakho the angle was reduced, which means yehlisiwe i-angle. So awuthathe nje kwi-calculator mhlambe uthi 10 sin 30, i-answer ubani u5 yabo. Ake sithi singiba it is cos la. It's why it's fine. So sizothi manje 10 sin 20 sithola u3.4. So sithi manje 10 sin 10 sithola u1.7. Uyabona yini ukuthi mayincipha le angle i-answer la iyancipha yabo. So okusho ukuthi if u-theta ngabhala ngangani uthi ngibhala ngifuna ubhala decrease. So if theta decreases, therefore f sin theta decreases, therefore the normal will decrease as well. Ne? So now uyayibonela, thatha i-calculator yakho manje ufake uthi 10 sin 30 lokuqala uyi-answer u5. Uma i-u30 angle asiyehlise sibe ku20. 10 sin asithi 25 sithola u4.2 yabo, siyehlile ku5 asithi 20 manje iya ku3.4 iyehla even more. Sithi 15 2, yabo asithi 10 1, asithi 8 1.39 7 1.21 6 1.04 5 0.87 4 0.69. As you can see, the magnitude is decreasing as the angle decreases. Okusho ukuthi le nto engibhalele yona mina akuyona nje into ezoyibhala, into mina ngichazela wena la, ngenzela wena ukuthi ubone. So you know ukuthi the normal is equals to in mg plus f sin theta. Siyakwazi lokho ngobani i-force iyangena, mayingena ngithe kwena kuzoba u-plus ne. Alright, so if theta decreases siyazi ukuthi now f sin theta will decrease. Angithi so uma lo ebamncane as i-angle iyehla vele lo uyafana angithi, which means i-answer yonke la ilibele iyehla as ehla lo yabo, as f sin theta ehla noma sithi as theta decreases f sin theta will decrease as well. That will cause the normal to decrease as well yabo. Alright, so uma uthi le nto le uyayidinga for lo mbuzo lo ukuthi uyikhumbule or ungayibhala phansi, you can take a screenshot whatever, but ke mina sengizo